Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the latest electric vehicle trends and innovations. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a market that's charging ahead, literally. The global electric vehicle battery market is projected to experience significant growth over the next few years. According to recent forecasts, by 2025, this market will be worth around $55 billion, with an expected CAGR of 21%. But what drives this growth? And which companies are at the forefront of this revolution? Well, let's take a closer look. One company that stands out is Panasonic Corporation. This Japanese tech giant has been a pioneer in the EV battery industry, and their partnership with Tesla has played a significant role in the success of the Model 3. Panasonic's collaboration with Tesla has enabled the production of high-quality batteries at scale, making them an essential component for electric vehicles. Their lithium-ion batteries have set new standards for energy density, power, and safety, giving EVs the range and performance they need to compete with their gasoline-powered counterparts. But Panasonic isn't the only player in this market. LG Chem, LG Energy Solution, another leading manufacturer of EV batteries, is also making waves. Their NMC battery technology has been widely adopted by major automotive manufacturers, including Hyundai and Kia. One area where we can expect significant growth is in the development of solid-state batteries. These batteries promise to offer even higher energy density, faster charging times, and improved safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Companies like Panasonic and LG Chem are already investing heavily in solid-state research and development. As the EV market continues to expand, so too will the demand for these advanced battery technologies. We can expect to see increased competition among manufacturers, driving innovation and reducing costs. And that's where consumers come in. They'll be the ones benefiting from these advancements, with better range, faster charging times, and improved overall performance. In conclusion, the electric vehicle battery market is on the cusp of a major breakthrough. With companies like Panasonic and LG Chem leading the charge, we can expect to see significant growth and innovation over the next few years. At Electro Drive News, we'll be keeping a close eye on this market, bringing you the latest news and trends as they emerge.